If you are a lover of corn, why not get into this cooking video? Guys, this is going to be your best meal, like your best meal ever. So let's get into it. Now in your tray or in your bowl, go ahead and remove the dirties out from the beans. Remove the chaff, stones, the beans back or whatever. Remove it. Any color of beans you are using, whether honey beans, white beans, or potasco beans, any type of beans you are using, please do well to remove the dirties. And after that, you proceed in washing the beans. Yes, like guys, this is really necessary because most of the times if I don't wash my beans, at the end I will be purging. So I normally wash my beans, but I don't know for you, you can as well try this method. It will work for you. In an already hot boiling water, add in your beans. Allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes, and wash it out. Like wash it thoroughly. I know you have already washed with cold water, but then you need to add so that all those blah 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 will be out. Now after washing your beans, you go ahead to now cook it like the normal way of cooking. Add water, but the water should not pass the beans, please, unless you want your food to be too watery, but your water should be at almost the same level with the beans. Okay, now for the corn, you have to use your hands or you use your knife, whichever thing that works for you. Me, I use both my hands and my knife. This is how we used to do it back then. Yes, back then when I was growing up, this is how we normally do it. After separating the corn from the body, go ahead and wash your corn. I wash this corn for like two times. I wash it 2 times. Now after washing your corn, keep it aside and check your beans. Your beans should be half done already, so that by the time you add the corn, it will all cook together. So leave this for like 25 to 30 minutes and cover it. Let it boil for 25 to 30 minutes. In your already heating frying pan or pot, go in with your red oil, your onions. I use spring onions here. Then give it a very good mix. Add in your fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, and your bell pepper. Blend it together and add and give it a very good mix so that it will all cooperate together or be incorporate together. Then add in your smoked fish, your stock cube, your salt, your spices. I use curry here. Add all of those together. If you have locust beans, better add all of it together and give it a very good mix and cover it for about 5 to 3 minutes for it to for all of it to be together. So guys, after that, go ahead and add in your already fried stew. Your beans and your corn is ready here, like it's ready. Now add in your already fried stew into your cooked food and give it a very gentle stir, like mix, but not too much. Okay, yes, and cover it for like 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Your food is ready. Like guys, this is so sweet. So I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.